This week I want to answer a question about the additional parameters that is on the roasting graph on the Series 3 screen. So let's check it out. As you can see on this screen, you have roasting time, development time, product temperature, product ROR, exhaust air temperature, vacuum, and if you go to options, there is display product temperature, display exhaust air temperature, display exhaust air temperature ROR, show supply air temperature, show ambient temperature ROR, cooling exhaust air temperature, development time, and the vacuum ones that are already on the previous screen. And it has additional interactive parameters as well. And if you want to add any of these, all you have to do is click the icon on, and then it will show on your other screen. I hope you enjoyed the short video on the new features that the Series 3 has. And if you like what you see, subscribe to YouTube and follow us on Instagram.